Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to prepare masala oats. For the recipe we are going to use apple cider vinegar and that too mother vinegar. There are two types of apple cider vinegar. This filtered vinegar is for salads and the mother vinegar is for weight loss purposes. And here we are going to prepare masala oats with half a cup of whole grain oats. Take a pan, pour some oil in it. To this add a quarter cup of chopped onions and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let us give this a nice saute. Once the onions turns translucent, add one small chopped tomato. Saute this for about a minute or two and then add a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, a quarter teaspoon of chili powder and the required amount of salt. Now give everything a nice saute. After about 2 minutes of sauteing, you can add the oats, half a cup of whole grain oats. Saute this for about a minute. Now add a cup of water and start stirring. Stir this occasionally. Once it starts boiling, give this a nice stir. It will get thick soon. So here the porridge is ready. Let it cool down for a few minutes and then you can add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Shake the bottle well before using. You will be having some deposits. Give a nice mix. So here the masala oats is ready. Let us transfer this into a serving bowl. If you are in a weight loss diet, go for this. This is a perfect weight loss recipe. Apple cider vinegar not only helps you in weight loss, it also controls your sugar and cholesterol level. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.